So here we are again. It's another video, and I'm fixing. Yes, it's right. Rock in the background. You know how we roll. This is the follow-up with the Dell Studio 1555. As you can see, I finally have defeated the computer. So let's have a look-see. This is the same laptop. Alright. This is this view. And let me get a view of this and this. And finally, that's right. No more. You are no longer attached. Let my people go. Just to show you that I've attached it, as you can see, this is right here. The computer is over here. And let's look to the future. Let's see. The future is this. Alright, this is going to be the new case. Bam. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, side by side. You know, old, new. You know, flip it around and back. Old, new. You know. Okay. This keyboard right here, you know, I'm gonna have to replace this in the future. Here is my new monitor. What did I do with that broken one? Aha! As you can see, the broken one. Okay, right here. And yes, Kareen, you know, I'm nursing it back to health. I am. This is what I was using to hold my stuff in. And as you can see, I'm replacing these panels here. Now, one thing to note, and I'm also noting this on the record, is you'll notice that, hold on, where is it? Oh no. Is it not on this one? Yes. You'll notice that on this one right here, on the back, it has like this broken panel, which I have removed. But nevertheless, here is the repair. So this is a before and after, and I will show you an after video with it more together and, you know, the assembly. And this is Ryan. Yes, that's right. He has all of these. Yes, that he let me use. Alright, bye my YouTube people.